In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the fan speed of your computer or laptop. So the first thing we're going to do is just open up an internet browser and we need to type in MSI Afterburner and press enter. Click on the top website here, which is msi.com. And then we're going to click on this 4.65 version of the MSI Afterburner. So that's going to begin downloading onto your computer. So if we come over to our downloads folder, we're just going to simply extract this file, click on extract all, and just go and extract this to your computer. Once it's finished extracting, we're then able to open up this application, uncheck the box next to Norton 360, and then press install. Click on OK, click on next, agree to the terms and conditions and press next. Uncheck the box next to River Tuner Statistics Server, click on next again and press install. Then click on the finish button to go and run MSI Afterburner. So once you have this application running, we can then go and increase or decrease the fan speed. So I'm going to increase mine all the way up to 100%. And once you're happy with this, just click on the tick icon to save these changes. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.